Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna share with you the app I use to make videos. So I use something called FIlmora, and here it is. It's FIlmora. It's used for making videos, editing videos, posting videos on YouTube. So if you wanna make videos or edit videos, anything to do with videos, I think you can also do like pictures as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. Um, but I recommend Filmora. So what we're going to do today, today's goal is to make a video for my next YouTube. So here I have 3 clips that I took with my GoPro, 1, 2, 3. We're going to take all 3 of them and we're going to put them into one video. And how we're going to do that is with Wondershare. So first, we're going to open Filmora. I have Filmora 11. When you click on it, it goes to this screen. So we're going to click create new project. And then over here, let's take a look at this, right? So over here is where I can see the videos. Here, this box is where we're going to drag and drop the videos, and this is the timeline. So first, I'm going to take my video, which this is the clip, first one. I'm gonna throw it in there, and then I'll take the second one and the third one. Okay, so now they're in that box, but they're not in the video like timeline yet. So I'm going to take the first one, just drag it down and put it right at the beginning. So it starts at the beginning. It says the resolution or frame rate, blah, 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 doesn't match. So just keep the project settings. That's what I'm going to do. And okay, I have my first clip. So now I can hit play. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in Japan. Okay, so let me see. We're gonna edit this. So at the beginning of the video, I turned on my camera, but there's always like a second or two I kind of want to delete. Hello, right there. So I want to stop it just before I start speaking. Okay, so I'm just gonna move the slider back, and then I'm going to click on the scissors thing, and then it's going to cut that part of the clip. I'm going to click on the left side to delete. So I'm going to, on my keyboard, hit delete. It deletes that 1 second. Now we can see I start talking pretty quickly. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hello everyone, how are you doing? Perfect. Okay, so it starts right there. No waiting, no like loss of time. Okay, and then let's check the end of this clip. Okay, let's go back. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Hello everyone, okay. How are you doing? I'm okay with that. So the next thing, so once you're okay with the clip, you can move on to the next clip. So I'm going to take the second part, just drop it in right next to it, and it automatically helps you line it up. And let's take a look at the second clip. Okay, here we have the spicy eggplant, and over on this side we have the pepper steak, and I have a little bit of black rice to go with it. Let's do the taste test. Okay, that's fine. Hello everyone, how are you doing? So I don't really want to edit anything there. I'm okay with it. So here's what we're gonna do next. I'm going to add the third clip. So right here again, just line it up and drop. And let's see what that looks like. Now here's the taste test. Let's go with the spice. Okay, I'm fine with that. Let's look at the ending. Please like and subscribe for more. See you. All right, there's always that. Hello everyone, like, how are you doing? 1 second or two when you have to hit the like stop button. So I'm going to delete that. For more. See you. Okay, right there. I think it's fine. Delete. And then it cuts it. So the scissors cut it, and then we just click on the part we want to cut and hit delete on our keyboard. Gone. And let's go back, take a look. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more. See you. Okay. Um. Okay, that's fine. So now what we're going to do, because it just sort of cuts into each section, we're going to make transitions because you guys can see there's like a little space in the parts where we cut off. We're gonna smooth it out by using a transition, and doesn't really matter which one you use. Anything is fine. So just for time's sake, whatever. So just put it right here. So you drag it, put it in between both, and then let's check it. Hit play. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Okay, here. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to do the same process for the next part where we cut. Drag and drop. And check it. Let's do the taste test. Now here's the taste test. Let's go with the spicy eggplants. That works. All right. Okay, so now that we've edited that, the other thing we want to do is volume levels. So you guys can see underneath the video, we have like sound waves. So let's listen. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in We can lower or raise the decibels. So I'm going to raise it so it sounds nice and clearly and loud on the video. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in Japan and... Okay, so that's a huge difference, you guys can see. So just a quick audio fix, some quick editing, and I think I'm almost done. We can add some music on Filmora. So when you buy Filmora, it comes with like a bunch of things. It comes with all these things, transitions and all that. So I highly recommend buying it. So let's look. I'm not gonna write any titles. You can also write and do like a bunch of other things. Gonna look at the audio. So there's a bunch of free audio you can use in Filmora. Let's listen. Let's find something that sounds cool. What's this? Okay, so I have to download it. All right, let's check this one. No. Okay, no. He sounds so happy. All right. Anyways, I'm just gonna choose the next one, whatever this is. Okay, yeah. So this is just a demonstration, so I'm just doing it to show you guys. So next we're going to also drag and drop. So it's going to drag and drop not where the video part is because it's not video, it's audio. So it's going to go right here in the audio. You can see audio, video on the left side. And then let's check it out. Let's see how it sounds. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in Japan and I picked up eggplant. Okay, so it's too loud. You guys see that it's just too loud. So I don't want it to overpower my voice. I just want it to kind of like support me, to kind of like be like background music. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. Just take the audio, lower the decibels, and see what that sounds like. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in Japan and I picked up eggplant with spicy sauce. And I also picked up pepper steak. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Okay, here we have the spicy eggplant and over on this side we have the pepper steak. And I have a little bit of black rice to go with it. Okay, so that is okay. You guys can go in depth with the audio, like you guys can adjust the levels, really go in detail. I'm just doing this for a demonstration. So you guys can also see that the audio plays, right? So if we look at the timeline, we can see that the audio it plays, and then it stops right here at 1 minute and something. So what you can do is just the same process, drag it and then take it there. So it'll restart the song. Um, so now the video keeps going. So what I want to do, I want to cut it exactly where the video stops. So we're going to drag the timeline thing, and then we're going to use our favorite tool, the scissors. Hit the scissors and then just click that area and hit delete. Bam, gone. And now you have a video that has music, audio, video, everything you need. And it's edited. Um it can okay, one more thing. So since we added the music, I should not forget to also bring down the levels to match the levels of the other one that we lowered. So right there. So you can see the line. This line goes across. Okay. Now they're all even levels. And there we go. And then you're going to, last step, hit export. Um and you can choose whatever type of file you want to save it as. I'm just going to save it as an MP4 and then hit export, and then it'll export it. Usually it takes a lot long depending on how long your video is. My video is really short, so this is really quick, which is nice, so I can show you guys. Okay, and then once it's done, you guys can hit open folder, and your video is going to be there. It's going to be called my video. So I'll drag it out here, and don't confuse your clips with the video, and then we can check it. Let's check it one final time. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just went to 7-Eleven in Japan and I picked up eggplant with spicy sauce. And I also picked up pepper. Okay, there's a slight delay, but it works and I hear the audio. It sounds good. My voice is pretty loud and clear. So yeah, now you can just go back to YouTube or just save it, keep it. So yeah, and that's it. So I highly recommend Filmora because one, it's very easy to use. It's not too expensive. Honestly, like there's a subscription and then there's like you can buy it. If I recall correctly, I think it was like 79 bucks, 80 bucks. But once you buy it, you keep that version forever. So I bought my version Filmora 11, I think in like 2021. Uh, and I still use it. There's a Filmora 12. You can download that one, but I don't need it. Anyways, please like, hit the subscribe if you want to see more videos about Japan, if you want to learn about Japanese culture, if you want to learn how to edit, if you want to watch like cool guitar videos and how I'm going to make music, please subscribe and you're going to get all of that. I'm also posting free English lessons and like free PDF files you guys can download if you're teaching. You can use those files. So just please subscribe and you're going to get a lot of things. So thank you for watching and goodbye, guys. See you.